Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back and thank you so much for tuning in to check out this video. Today, we're going to be doing a little bit of a redstone tutorial again. And today it's something I think you all will find quite interesting. As we arrive at the redstone area here, I have these new things installed. And if I pull that lever, they drop into the ground. And if I do it up again, they pop up out of the ground. So it's like those pillars things that they have on roads to keep bad dudes out. So, let's pop on in here, and today we're going to learn how to build this. So, the materials that you are going to need for this redstone build are 6 observers, 1 note block, 3 sticky pistons, 1 redstone dust, 1 repeater, and 64 blocks of your choice. So, to start things off, we're going to dig a 3 wide by 7 long by 5 deep hole. So we're going to come here, dig a block here, dig 2 blocks this way, dig 6 blocks back this way, 2 blocks back, and join up to meet this here, and dig out these center blocks. Now dig this down 4 more layers. Okay, so once that is done, we're going to take our redstone dust, and I guess I forgot we need 2 of these. So we're going to put one of them right there, have an observer facing out of that, make sure the little face thing is facing towards the redstone. And then out of that observer, put a note block, or any block that can get updated. Like, you could put a hopper there if you want. Then out of that note block, put 2 observers running into a block. Out of this first observer, place 2 sticky pistons up like that. And coming out of this note block here, place an observer. And to place this, hold shift and spacebar at the same time and put it down like that. And have this little red dot facing up and run that into a block. Running into this back piston here, we're going to have a redstone repeater set to 4 ticks of delay, so just put it down and right click it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Behind that, we're going to put a redstone dust, and we're going to put 2 observers on top right here. 1 on top of the redstone dust, and 1 on top of the repeater. And again, when you place the observer on top of the repeater, just hold shift and spacebar at the same time. So now we're going to grab our sticky piston, put it there, on top of this second observer, and take your blocks of choice, or whatever block you want to be under your pillar, and put it down above these sticky pistons. Make sure there's a gap there. Now grab your floor block, or your road block, whatever your road's made out of, and fill in the rest of this. We're now going to go over and grab any gravity block of our choice. This could be concrete powder of your choice, sand, red sand. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to be using...
Narrator, search items at...
Hold on a sec. This happens a lot.
Options, accessibility, narrator, off.
There we go. So.
Narrator, search items edit,
I will be using blue concrete powder.
Game menu, options.
Now let me turn this idiot off.
Narrator, off.
Okay. And you can use any wall of your choice. And just so I don't have to go back into that stupid search items, I shall use a stone brick wall. So you're going to put your wall, this could be any block at all, actually. It could be a gray concrete, could be an andesite, could be iron bars if you really wanted. You know what, why don't we do that? Let's do an iron bars, and then you put your top on top, your top pillar on top of that. So now to grab any block that can make an update. So a lever usually works pretty well for this, but if you really want to, you can use a comparator on top of an observer or even a repeater. That's what I do in some of my other instances, which I will show you. And you want to run this redstone up to somewhere. And as you can see, this will have triggered this observer. So to fix that, you just want to quickly destroy and replace it, and that will send it back up. So we'll just run this redstone line up through the floor to a lever or anything. And when you pull this, there you go. Your pillar retracts into the floor. You can pull it again, and it sticks right back up. And you can build as many of these modules as you want in a row. This is unlike the door, where it can be only limited to 15. Because there's a block of space in between each module, you can put a repeater in between each one. So as you can see here, I have 3 of them at my town gate. If we come on over here, I have 4 of them. That's because this is a 7-block wide road. Now, these ones do not go up and down because this is a dispenser and that is immovable. But if we go down here, as you can see, I have 4 modules on each side. This is for the outside, and this is for the inside. And you may have noticed these observer towers here, and these run up to, if you haven't seen, my guard shack. And in here, I have a comparator on top of an observer. So I turn on that comparator, and that drops down a gate. And I can turn it like that, and it'll pop back up. And same with the other side, just like that. So, I thank you all for tuning in to check out this redstone tutorial. I hope that it has helped you, and I hope that you can use this redstone build in your future redstone projects. But until next time, this has been Jimbobertson. Thank you for watching, and I will see you later.